Me, brick by brick. Lose. I don't lose. I want this shit. I want this shit. I'll never give up. Never.
I'm unbeatable. I can't be beat.
We did not come this far to just break down and lose now. I'm a winner. I'm going to win.
It's impossible. You condemn me. You can damage me. You're never ever gonna beat me.
There's so many people that have the ability and just refuse to get off that couch. Refuse to study a few more hours. Refuse to go deeper, to go further. And that's where I gain the advantage.
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day, and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
It's so easy to be great nowadays, my friend, because most people are weak.